Welcome back to the Jonesy Klein YouTube channel, where I am sharing tips and tricks to help you become the horseman that your horse deserves. We are taking a look at my World Show runs in this video series so that you can glean some information and technique and thoughts about what it's like to be in the actual show pen. This was Huck's first trip to a world show, my first trip to a world show too, and so there was quite a few nerves and other things, technique and strategy, all those things that we were working through as we went through the 6 events at the Versatility Ranch Horse World Show in 2022, this summer in June. So I thought it would be helpful to share my thoughts and give you a blind react to the best that I can recall those runs and how they happened when we were there at the show. So if you want to see how these runs went and listen to how I was thinking my way through each one of these runs, take a look at this video in the cutting pen. So coming into this, I was pretty nervous. I like the cutting. It's one of my favorite events. Huck is getting pretty good, but he's still not super broke. So I was a little nervous coming into this. So I was just trying to contain my nerves and talk to myself and trust my horse as I went. A big part of your success really kind of depends on your herd help. I know there's some good guys in there for turn back. So as I'm walking in here and pushing the cows out, they all kind of felt kind of sticky. As they're peeling out, I'm right about here trying to pick which cow I wanted. And like you can see, all the cows are just standing there, really sticky compared to some of the other cows that I've worked. And there's my cow. As far as cuts go, that I couldn't have asked for a better one right in the middle of the pen. But my cow doesn't do a whole lot. My horse is stopping good. His head's a little high and a little excitable. I think that's probably just me and my nerves coming through and my riding. Right there, the cow stops and looks at me. So I'm going to go get a new cow and quit that one because it just wasn't doing a whole lot. Overall, I mean, I liked the way things happened other than the cow just standing still, and I did get knocked on my level of difficulty for that cow because it just stood there. Now, on the second cut, was a good cut until Baldface decided to turn back with my cow. In situations like that, you just have to ignore that other cow, and your turn back will push it back for you, and he did. He peeled off. And Huck had a moment where he was kind of confused on which cow we picked, but right there, ooh, such a nice stop. Thank you, Huck. I was so excited about that. And again, since this was our second cow, I just had to stick with that cow until the buzzer went off. So if you liked this video and want to see more like this, make sure that you give me a like and a subscribe at the bottom of the screen here. I'm going to put some more playlists and videos for you right over here for you to watch and get more information on becoming a better rider or taking a look at things that happen in the show pen and how to work through those sort of things. So we will see you in the next one.